Introducing the world's first titanium ice pack, redefining how you keep your cool. Ti-coolX Titanium Ice Pack is crafted from pure Ta1 titanium, offering unrivaled strength and lightweight durability. Our titanium ice packs excel in thermal conductivity, freezing faster and keeping cold longer than traditional materials, enhancing your outdoor experience. Unlike plastic, our titanium ice pack is environmentally friendly, reusable, and completely sealed, eliminating the risk of harmful leaks. Thanks to its biocompatibility, it's safe for direct skin contact, making it ideal for athletes. It's easy to clean, odor-free, and recyclable, making it a suitable choice that reduces plastic waste. Engineered for extreme conditions, titanium's oxidation resistance ensures it won't rust. Our advanced surface treatment technology gives the titanium ice packs antibacterial properties, keeping your food and drinks safe. And for even more compact occasions, we have created the Ti-coolX titanium ice cubes that are small in size, yet powerful. The titanium ice pack, pure titanium material, instant freezing, longer lasting cold, leak-proof, easy to clean, antibacterial, and built to withstand high and low temperatures. Upgrade to Ti-coolX titanium ice packs today. The smarter, safer, and more sustainable way to stay cool.